Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Teamcenter Quality to help you identify preventive actions that will mitigate the effects of potential failures in a car's production line. To achieve this, I will leverage Process Failure Mode and Effect Analysis, or PFMEA, to perform process risk assessments. The Process FMEA step for structure analysis helps me study the manufacturing process by breaking it down into detailed operations and sub-operations. With Teamcenter Quality, I can methodically break down and understand the intended purpose of each operation in the manufacturing process. Each function has assigned characteristics that are linked to specific requirements, defining what needs to be inspected. In this case, I'll check the assigned characteristics to verify the different inspection definitions. Teamcenter Quality FMEA provides me the flexibility to work with network diagrams, navigate tabs, or use the tree structure. All information is properly stored, allowing me to navigate the data efficiently in my own preferred way. I can also visualize the outcomes of the PFMEA by using the Risk Assessment Matrix, a visual tool utilized to evaluate and prioritize risks based on their ratings. The matrix provides an easy-to-understand breakdown of the potential likelihood of incidents occurring versus the severity of their impact. This allows me to easily prioritize actions to manage the identified risks. Teamcenter Quality provides me the capability to automatically generate the control plan structure using the information from PFMEA. The control plan allows me and my team to effectively respond to any issues detected through the PFMEA. Lastly, I can analyze the 3D model and automatically select the relevant product and manufacturing information, or PMI characteristics, which facilitate a more thorough and accurate inspection control process. By utilizing Teamcenter Quality, I am able to both effectively perform the PFMEA process, as well as respond to any detected issues. If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.